Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix second monitor if it's not detected in Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, before we dive into software fixes, first up, hardware. Okay, check for physical connection and port. So just basically match outputs on PC, make sure all monitors are plugged directly into your dedicated graphics card or GPU, okay, or GPU port, in other words. Okay, not in the CPU or motherboard port. Now, if you don't know what I meant, okay, I'm going to go ahead and type down PC case right here. So basically, this one, I don't know if you can see it clearly, okay, but if you have your graphics card in here, make sure that you plug in either the HDMI or the DisplayPort directly to your GPU. Not from here, okay? Because this one is going to be using your CPU, but if your CPU supports or does have integrated graphics card, it will work. But if you do have a graphics card right here, make sure that you plug in, again, the HDMI or DisplayPort directly in here into your monitor, all right? Now, what if it's all plugged in correctly, of course, but it doesn't work? Well, try using a different cable. Maybe the cable needs to be replaced. Also, power. Ensure your second monitor is powered on and its input source is correctly set to HDMI or DisplayPort. If you don't know how to select the input source, just basically use the toggles from your monitor, okay? And just find the input source section. And if you're using HDMI, set it to HDMI. If you're using DisplayPort, of course, set it to DisplayPort. Okay, so once everything is checked, but your computer still doesn't detect your specific monitor, you can go ahead and press Windows key plus P, okay? Again, Windows key plus P. Now, you'll be able to see this pop up, and you should now be able to see these options, okay? PC screen only, duplicate, extend, second screen only, okay? Go ahead and try extend right here, and everything should work. Now, you can go ahead over to more display settings. Okay, to access this window, you could go ahead and right click and display settings right here. All right, as you can see, mine is already working because I already fixed this issue. We're just updating the drivers, but we're going to talk about it later. Okay, but if you can't still see your second monitor right here, go ahead and go to your graphics card driver updater. It could be NVIDIA app or the AMD Adrenaline, or sometimes I forgot the name about the Intel app, okay? So just open it up. And then once that's done, just go ahead over to the drivers tab and then just make sure that you update or install the driver from here. Just click on install or update, wait for the process to finish. It will ask you to restart computer. If it's not going to ask you, well, just go ahead and restart computer, all right? Restart. And once done, right click again. Click on display settings and your second monitor should pop out. All right. And that is how you fix your second monitor if it's not detected in Windows 11. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.